Alright, folks, buckle up because I'm about to help you crush Instagram affiliate marketing in just 3 minutes. Whether you're new to the game or looking to sharpen your tools, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, pick a niche. You want to focus on something you're passionate about and that has a proven track record on Instagram. Think fashion, fitness, beauty, tech, whatever gets your heart racing. A clear niche not only attracts a dedicated audience but also makes finding affiliate products way easier. Next up, content is king. You've got to create high-quality, engaging posts that resonate with your audience. Think captivating images, snappy captions, and don't forget those hashtags. Use a mix of feed posts, stories, and reels to keep things fresh and exciting. The goal? Drive traffic to your affiliate links. Speaking of links, make sure you're using trackable affiliate links. Platforms like ShareASale, Amazon Associates, or ClickBank are gold mines for finding the right products to promote. Always use a URL shortener or a link in bio tool like Linktree to make it easy for your followers to click through. Now let's talk about authenticity. Be genuine with your audience. They can smell a sales pitch from a mile away. Only promote products you truly believe in and have tried yourself. Share your personal experience and tell a story. People buy from people they trust, so keep it real. Engagement is crucial. Interact with your followers by responding to comments, DMs, and participating in conversations within your niche. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to click on your affiliate links. Plus, Instagram's algorithm loves engagement, which means more visibility for your posts. Don't forget about analytics. Keep an eye on what's working and what's not. Use Instagram Insights to track your engagement, reach, and the performance of your posts. Adjust your strategy based on these insights to maximize your affiliate earnings. Lastly, stay consistent. Success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. Be patient, keep posting regularly, and continually provide value to your audience. Consistency builds trust, and trust leads to conversions. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to crushing Instagram affiliate marketing in just 3 minutes. Now, go out there and start making those commissions. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more marketing tips. Until next time, keep hustling.